Far south of Thebes, beyond the first cataract of the Nile, lay the kingdom of Kush.
Its capital, Napata, glimmered under the desert sun-pools, temples carved for Amun. Egypt fractured under chaos. Kush rose.
And from its sands came a king named Pie, a ruler who believed he was chosen by the god. His army marched north, not as invaders, but as restorers of Ma'at, the sacred order of the world. In one breathtaking campaign, Pie conquered Egypt and united it once more. This era, known as the 25th dynasty, became one of Egypt's last great golden ages. Under the Nubian pharaohs, temples were rebuilt, art revived, and justice redefined. Kings like Shabaka and Taharqa built monuments that rivaled those of Ramses and Tutankhamun. They ruled not as foreigners, but as Egyptians reborn, protectors of the gods, guardians of the Nile. Greek and Roman chroniclers dismissed them. European historians erased them.
Eventually, the Assyrian armies came from the east focus, burning temples, shattering statues, driving the Kushite kings back to Nubia.
Their descendants built pyramids in Meroe, smaller but steeper, a symbol that Today, archaeologists uncover their temples, their tombs, their gold currency, the voices of a dynasty long silenced. Because in the sands of Nubia, one truth still whispers through the wind.